What is up, guys? Back with another video. I wanted to show you guys the Porsche 911. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S. Lowered with a Tech Art body kit, AL13 wheels, 22 in the rear, 21 in the front. They're called R80 monoblock. Let's fire this thing up. It has a Soul Performance exhaust, headers, and cats. If you're new to the channel, this is Big Diesel. Method wheels, 38 tires, F250 on Carly suspension. Today we're driving the 911. My favorite thing about the 911, this particular one, is the turbos. Sorry if the car's dirty. I have 4 kids and a busy lifestyle. First thing we need to do today is clean this thing, because it is dirty. But before we do that, we're going to spoil up the turbos. On the streets, I got the turbos, we're cruising. So it doesn't take much with these Carreras to really open them up and get that turbo sound. So all I did was add a Soul Performance exhaust, headers, and downpipes. We're gonna cruise down here. Imagine if we accidentally put it in drive and put this thing in there. Man, it's nice out today. Down into the seat. I turn like this, I sit. Oh, that's why you always hear me go, oh! You gotta drop it like it's hot down into the 911 seat. What I love the most is that turbo, that bag of snakes, whistling Dixie. Woo! A little squirrely. Gotta cut across this bridge. This is one of the oldest turn bridges in the country. Palm trees and coconuts and 911s.